Alright, I am redoing Access 1A because the other one, well, had errors in it and stuff like that, and I didn't change the errors. I changed the errors till the end, so let's try to do this a little bit better. Make it a little bit shorter video as well. Okay, so create a new table in Datasheet View. So we're going to go create table. So create table. Now we're in Datasheet View, and we're going to rename the default primary key ID field to state. So the name is state. Alright, and we're going to add another one. Short text is going to be called state name. And go check the properties of this one here. There should be short text as well. There we go. Change the field size of state field to 2. Alright, and we're going to save table as states. And let's see here, state name, they should both be short text. There we go. Alright, but do not close it. With states table still open in Datasheet View, add the 4 records from your instructions. And Wyoming. And we're going to save. And we're going to close. Alright. Open the AdRep table. Highlight AdRep table in Datasheet View, so we're going to double click it. And we're going to add a new field with date and time. I'm going to name it date hired. And see anywhere out here to escape that right there. Now we're going to drag this to here. That's it. Okay. Next, we're going to enclose the table. Save. Close. And open the billboard table in Design View. And make the following changes to the height field. So we're going to go to height. And we're going to change the short text to number. Change the field size property to single. Field size to single. And decimal places from auto to 1. With the billboard table still open in Design View, add a daily effective circulation. As a description field for the DEC field. With billboard table still open in Design View, change the field size property of the location field. So we're going to go to location, field size property. It's going to be 75. Save the changes to the billboard table. Hit yes. Then close it. import data. So we're going to external data, Excel, and we're going to import. We're going to go to browse. We're going to go to your location. We're going to import this sheet here. We're going to append. It's going to be added to the advertiser table. Hit OK. Hit next. Do not make any changes. Do not create a new table. And do not save steps. Alright. Next, we're going to open the advertiser table in Design View. Make the following changes to the advertiser ID field. So we're going to change this to primary key and change the caption property to ADVID. Caption, here we go. Change it. To AVID. There we go. Save changes and exit. Open the billboard table in Datasheet view. Highlight it, double click it. There we go. We're going to go down to the navigate to the third record, which would be just down arrow to this one here, and then go over to the type and type in poster. Go up one and type digital. That's it. And close the table. Open the billboard listing query. We're going to open it in Design View. And we're going to run a criterion to select only those records with a state field value of WA. So we're going to find the state field. Type in WA. We're going to run. Exit. And save. Use the simple query wizard to create a query based on the advertiser table. So we're going to go to Create, Query Wizard. We're going to hit OK, and we're going to base it on the the advertiser table. Include all fields. Hit Next, and we're going to name it, keep the default name. Hit Finish. That's it. And close. Next, we're going to create a simple form based on the advertiser table. So highlight the advertiser table, go over to Create Form, save the form as advertiser form. So we're going to save advertiser space form. And hit OK. And then close the form. Now we're going to open the Add Rep Update form. Add Rep Update form. And we're going to go to the third record. KSO2, and we're going to change the address to 90 MESA and close the address update form. Just hit exit. Okay. And now we're going to create a simple report based on the advertiser table. So advertiser table, create. We're going to create a report. Save the report at advertiser reports. Go up here to save. Save it as advertiser report. Open the Idaho, Wyoming billboard circulation report. That would be this one here. We're going to open it in layout view. So right click, layout view. And we're going to modify the report to match the figure on the next page. So we're going to delete the type and facing columns. Just going to highlight, delete column, highlight, delete column. Change the column heading here. It's going to be billboard ID. And we're going to change this one to daily effective circulation. Okay, now we're going to sum the values in column DC. So we're going to go total DC sum. Alright, change the report title to Idaho Wyoming billboard circulation. That's it. Okay, second thing, to make the look a little bit nicer, we're going to highlight here and hover over this line right here till you get the arrow pointing both ways and double click. And do the same thing down here. Hover over till you get the double arrow pointing both ways and just double click. Alright, makes it look a little bit nicer. Okay, save. Save and close. And close. Now we're going to database tools, compact and repair database. Okay, now exit. Now I'm going to pause this while I submit it and see what the grade is. Okay, I have submitted mine and I received a 100%. And you follow do everything exactly the way I did it, and you will too.